Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable cookies in Brave. All right. We have two options. First one is for specific sites, and the second one is for all sites. Okay. Or in other words, for global settings. So first one for a single site. Let's say I'm going to go ahead over to Facebook right here. Facebook.com. Hit on enter. Now what you'll do is just go ahead over to the top right and click on the shield button. Now in here we have block third-party cookies. Click on it. Now you can just go ahead and click on allow all cookies for this specific website, of course. Okay. Now the other option is for global settings. Okay. Just go ahead over to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines. Now click on settings like so. Now go ahead over to the left panel and click on privacy and security. Now click on site and shield settings. Okay. Now in here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find block cookies. Okay. Click on it and just delete everything right here. All right. Now, once you have deleted everything, well, all of your cookies will be enabled. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, you visit a new site. If there are pop-ups like says enable cookies, well, just enable it. Okay. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.